If you've never tried your hands at a hobby toy, here is something that might interest you. The best remote control monster trucks are fascinating toys enjoyed by both kids and adults. These robust in-scale replicas are the perfect gift for people who love automobiles. Since there are various types of RC monster trucks available in the market, we have listed some of the best ones so that you can make your choice conveniently. Hi my friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I present you 5 best RC monster truck 2022. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the VOLANTEXRC brand. This remote control truck is designed with durable, strong and powerful components to provide you the realistic racing and off-road game experience. With a Power 390 advantaged motor, able to run with a high speed up to about 30 miles per hour. 2.4 GHz with advanced FHSS technology, good interference abilities with a controlled range of up to 328 feet, allows more than 20 remote control cars playing at the same time. This will be a great mini off-road toy car, specially made outdoors entertainment with your friends and family. This cross-country RC truck toy car designed with 4-wheel drive system allows the truck to conquer different awful environment easily and provide you the realistic racing and off-road game experience. Heavy-duty tires and wheels to provide high speed and stable running performance. This RC truck with strong rubber off-road tires, with reliable road holding, helping HTE truck running in high speed without flipping over. Independent shock absorber structure on each wheel to keep the truck running in a safe protection. Number 4 in our top is from the EE brand. The 4-wheel drive remote control car is equipped with a high-quality unique rock shell, with powerful built-in motors. This monster RC truck can climb 45 feet. Excellent to climb over objects indoor-outdoor. We have increased the vehicle size to a 1/12 scale to provide a more realistic racing car and better cross-country racing experience, which is the best car toy for any age: kids, boys, girls, adults. This RC car equipped with two 6V, 800 mAh rechargeable batteries, you can enjoy the fun of driving for about 60 minutes time. The USB charging cable will give great convenience for charging the monster truck. The remote control truck has a 2.4 GHz remote control system which is sensitive, highly responsive steering and throttle. What it does is that it can offer a stable signal and has a non-jamming function which allow multiple users play at the same time. The control distance is about 200 feet. What a great off-road monster truck for indoor and outdoor. EE RC car toys are all packed with anti-slip tires, give support to unexpected dropping and the unstable surface of the ground. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. We continue with the number 3 that is part of the DEERC brand. This 1:8 monster truck with a super large ratio is cost effective, and its huge size makes it stand out on various occasions. Equipped with a realistic and exquisite interior and a replaceable rear tire. Its powerful performance makes this RC car an ideal toy for boys and girls, and adults can also get relatively fun for sure. The beast is ready to go. No matter indoor or harsh outdoor environment, it will become a battlefield for its gallop. The 4-wheel drive remote control off-road car is equipped with a steering motor and 2 powerful front and rear built-in power motors, which work together to burst out superpower. The upgrade large wear-resistant tires come with a special thread design tread that increases the friction between the tires and the ground so that it has a stronger grip, and the climbing angle can reach an amazing 60 degrees. 4 wheels are installed independent suspension spring, let off-road country car body more flexible and buffers the impact of the uneven road surface on the body frame, protects the internal electronic components of the vehicle body. The monster truck has a sensitive wireless RC system that enables the car to be flexibly controlled when running in 2.4 GHz frequency. Number 2 in our top is from the Double E brand. Each RC car designed with individual graffiti car shell which make it unique and special. 2020 new version graffiti design RC truck which can offer your kids more cool fashionable experience while playing the RC truck, comes fully assembled, straight out of the box. The 4-wheels drive remote control car is equipped with a high-quality unique rock shell and powerful built-in motors. This monster truck can easily pass through sand, grass, roads, rocky areas, and other terrains, with anti-slip tires and shock absorbers give support to unexpected dropping in the unstable surface of the ground. Better protect the electronic components in the toy that allow you to drive the RC car in all terrains. With 2.4 GHz radio control system which is sensitive, highly responsive steering and throttle. What it does is that it can offer a stable signal and has a non-jamming function which allow multiple users play at the same time. The control distance is about 200 feet. What a great off-road monster truck for indoor and outdoor. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. And finally, the number 1 product in our top is part of the BEZGAR brand. Please note this is a 1/20th scale RC car. This toy-grade RC truck is designed for beginner players and children who want to move towards advanced-level hobby-grade RC trucks. Given that the BEZGAR 17S has outstanding looks, great performance, and a relatively lower price, it is a car worth purchasing without hesitation. The whole chassis of the remote control car is made of ABS plastic and the main body is made of nylon. With all of these properties, the truck will be more resistant to collisions and therefore extend its lifespan. This is a toy-grade remote control car. The 1/20th scale makes it easier to control. It can run up to 20 km/h at full speed with a brushed built-in motor. Its powerful performance makes this RC car an ideal toy for boys and girls of 6 years old and above. For sure, adults can also enjoy a relatively intense remote control experience with this truck. Easy to use and non-interference remote controller makes this a great remote control car for boys and girls. The 2.4 GHz frequency allows the car to always be ready to run and has a non-jamming function. The radio control distance is about 30 meters. It is a great off-road monster truck for indoor and outdoor use. A cool toy-grade RC car gift for boys and girls which serves as an ideal gift for birthdays and many other occasions. Which RC monster truck would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Goodbye.